Morning children, and welcome to my third problem solving activity. If you haven't done the other two, then you might want to go back and do those first, although you can do them in any order. Today we're going to be looking at trial and improvement, which is a really good problem solving strategy that you can use. It's not a very long video this, so I'm just going to get cracking. Okay, so with this activity we've got a 3 by 3 grid, which means that we've got 9 spaces for our numbers, and the aim of this task is to put the digits 1 to 9 in a square so that every row, column and diagonal adds up to 15. So because we're doing trial and improvement, that means that we're going to start with an idea and we're going to be moving numbers around to improve them. So I thought it might be an easy way to do it is to I've actually used the same numbers as we used last week, and that way, rather than writing out lots and lots of grids and lots of numbers, you can just move these little squares around. Okay, so trial and improvement. The best way to get started with this is just to have a go. So I'm just going to put some numbers in here and see what happens, but I'm going to think about it as I go. So I'm going to start with 5. So I need to get 15 altogether. So if I have 5, maybe if I put a 4, that equals 9. So now I need a 6 there. So that's good. I've made 15 here. Now let's see if I can make 15 this way. So 6 plus 3 is 9 again. Oh, so that means I need another 6 to get to 15, so I can't put my 3 there, that's no good. I'm going to put a higher number. I'm going to put a 7. Okay, so 6 and 7, that equals 13. Okay, so now I've got a 2, so I can put my 2 there. Okay, so I've got 15 this way, and I've got 15 this way. So maybe if I'm going to, what should I put? I'm going to put a 1 there. So now I've got 7 plus 1 is 8, which means if I want to get from 8 to 15, I need 7. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, what if I'm going to use my trial and improvement? I'm going to try to improve that now. How about if I put a 3 there? 7 and 3 is 10, but I've already used my 5, so that's not going to work. Okay, so let's see if I can improve that. I'm going to take that 3 away now. What if I put a 9 there? 9 and 7. Oh no, that's already too much, isn't it? Okay. How about if I put an 8? So 8 and 7, oh, that's 15. So I'm a bit stuck here. So it looks like I'm going to have to rearrange some of the numbers that I've already used. Some of these digits, I'll have to move them around. And I would continue to move them around through a process of trial and improvement until I've found that these added up to 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. And I'm just going to leave you to have a go at that. You don't have to cut these out, but I think it's easier to cut some bits of paper out just so that you don't have to keep rubbing out and writing new numbers in there, just to make your life easier. Okay, I would love it if you have a go at this and you find a solution. I'd love it if you took a photo of it, or just you could comment on don't comment on the YouTube video because then other people will see it. Just send us an email to the Year 3 email address with your ideas, and we'll have a look next week at the answers. Okay, good luck Year 3 and everyone else.